Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. Today we have here Sunshine and Daylight, my two golden retrievers, because Sunshine here is not fully trained. And I want to still have my furniture when coming back inside home. Today I am very excited because we are going to make a Guatemalan dish, flour tortillas filled with steak. They are from a beautiful place. Take my microphone. Sunshine, no. To start making these delicious tortillas de harina de Zacapa, we have to start making a curtido. That is made with cabbage, carrots, onions, vinegar. You can add some water too, oregano, salt, and you can add pepper. I like to make this cabbage salad a day before making the tortillas de harina, so they have a chance to be infused with all those flavors. Then we need to make a sauce, a homemade tomato sauce. This one is very easy to make. You just cook the tomatoes, garlic, onion, and blend it. You can add also some oregano, cilantro, and a serrano pepper or jalapeno, whatever you have available.
I see you, girl. Watching you across the room.
I can see you staring, baby. I've been watching you too.
After we made the delicious salsa, it's time to prepare the steak. Now, if you don't know how to marinate steak, I'm gonna leave the perfect marinade for a skirt steak in the description section. Now it's time to make a homemade mayo. And to do this, we just mix an egg, lemon, salt, pepper, and to this one I like to add a little bit of mustard. If you don't like mustard, just leave this ingredient out. And some good quality oil. And mix it well. It is time for us to make homemade flour tortillas. And we mix these ingredients very carefully until we reach this consistency I'm going to show you. And divide the dough around 12 same-sized balls and let them rest for around 30 minutes. Now it is time to start making or forming the tortillas. And we cook them in a very hot grill. Cook them for a couple minutes each side. Now it's time for the fun part. It's time to assemble these delicious tortillas de harina de Zacapa. And we grab the tortilla and put some of the homemade mayo on top. And then time to put steak, as much steak as you prefer. And on top of it, we put some cabbage salad. And we top it with the salsa and spicy jalapeno if you want. You see how easy and delicious these flour tortillas filled with steak are? You love them. Thank you guys for being one more time here with me in Cooking with Hilda. And if you like this video and sunshine, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys next time.